In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate an audio player widget into your Webflow site. We'll walk through the entire process step by step so you can enhance your website with audio content effortlessly. Whether you're showcasing music, podcasts, or any audio-related material, adding an audio player can greatly enhance your visitors' experience. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to create the widget. To do this, head over to a widget service like Elfsight. These platforms are fantastic because they offer a range of customizable audio player templates to suit your style and needs. Once you're on the website, begin by selecting a template that catches your eye. Feel free to experiment and choose one that best fits the aesthetic of your site. After selecting a template, it's time to upload your audio files. This might be your playlist, a single track, or perhaps a podcast episode, whatever you intend to share with your audience. The key here is to ensure your audio files are of high quality to provide the best listening experience. Once your files are uploaded, you can now customize the appearance of your audio player. These services usually offer a variety of customization options, from colors to size, and even the layout of the player. Take your time to tailor it to match your website's theme and ensure it integrates seamlessly. After you're satisfied with how it looks, the widget service will generate an HTML embed code specifically for your customized audio player. This is a crucial part of the process, as this code allows you to integrate the player into your site. Go ahead and copy this code. Now, let's move over to your Webflow project. Within Webflow, navigate to the Add panel. Here you'll find an array of elements you can add to your page. Search for the embed element and drag it over to the spot on your page where you want the audio player to appear. Think about your site's layout and user experience when deciding the location. Somewhere prominent enough for visitors to notice easily, yet subtly integrated into your design is often a good choice. With the embed element in place, you'll see a new window pop up. This is where you will paste the HTML code you previously copied from the widget service. Paste the code in the provided space and double-check everything looks good. If you followed these instructions correctly, you're just about done. Finally, click the Save and Close button. You're almost there. To make your audio player go live on your site, you need to publish your changes. You've now successfully added an audio player to your Webflow site, allowing users to interact with and enjoy your audio content right from your page. Thanks for following along, and enjoy sharing your sounds with the world.